Hi Beb, this is Ivy and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you kung paano naman i-certify ni employer ang loan application online. If you are interested na malaman kung paano ito gawin, please keep watching until the end of this video. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, I invite you to please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Without any further ado, let's get started. Magpunta lang po sa Pag-ibig Fund website, click Employer tab, and select Virtual Pag-ibig. Then, may prompt message na data privacy. After reading, tick box, then click Proceed. Kung wala pang Virtual Pag-ibig Employer account ang inyong company, magpunta ka lang po sa inyong Pag-ibig branch para mag-submit ng application for employer account. Now, kung may employer account naman po, just click Login. Then enter your assigned username na binigay ng Pag-ibig Fund and enter the password. Ang may access lang po nito ay yung mga authorized user ng company. Then, click Login. Here we go! Ito na yung homepage ng Virtual Pag-ibig Employers Account. Kapag si employee nagsabi or nag-inform sa HR na nag-process siya ng loan application online, ang gagawin ni employer ay i-certify ito using Virtual Pag-ibig Employers Account. Proceed lang po tayo dito sa Manage Employee Loans and click this. Then makikita nyo po yung short-term loan na may dalawang option, ang Certify at View. I-click lang po natin itong Certify. Then madadirect po tayo sa Manage Employee Loans. As you can see here sa status, mayroong pending na isang employee na nag-process ng kanyang short-term loan. Pwedeng salary loan or calamity loan. I-click lang po natin itong naka-hyperlink na View. After that, you will see the list of pending loan application. Para ma-approve nyo yung loan application ng employee, i-click mo lang po itong naka-hyperlink na Select. Then double-check the loan details kung siya ba ay currently employed sa inyo. Pwede nyo naman din po itong screenshot or i-add sa employee loan monitoring records nyo para alam nyo kung kailan magsisimula ang pagkaltas ng loan at kung magkano ang kanyang monthly amortization. If currently employed po yung member na nag-loan, i-click nyo lang po itong drop-down menu to certify. Next, input mo kung magkano yung kanyang gross monthly income. Ito yung kabuuang sahod niya kada buwan na wala pang kaltas. At kasama dito yung kanyang overtime, allowance, at kung ano-ano pang binabayaran nyo sa employee. Next, input the net monthly income. Ito naman po kung magkano ang natitake home ng employee sa kanyang monthly income. After that, itik lang yung box para sa application agreement and click Submit. May prompt information message na successfully certified and submitted na ang loan application ng employee sa Pag-ibig Fund at for processing na po ito. Then, click OK. After that, automatic na babalik po tayo sa page ng Manage Employee Loans at makikita natin dito na wala na pong pending status sa loan application. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-certify ng loan application online ang employer. Once na na-certified na po ni employer yung loan application, may marireceive po na text message ang employee na galing sa Pag-ibig Fund gaya nito. So, notified na po yung employee na nag-certify na po yung employer sa loan application. At ito po ay for verification at for processing na. So, wait for the Pag-ibig notification of approval. Then, mag-aantay na lang po sa crediting ng loans proceed sa kanyang chosen disbursement account. So, I think that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo and thank you so much sa wala niyong sawang pagsuporta sa mga video ko. Thank you and God bless everyone. Follow for more!